Greetings, Internet folks. Today, we're exploring the ins and outs of eSIM management, making it simple and straightforward. We recommend temporarily disabling your eSIM instead of deleting it, as you cannot reinstall a deleted eSIM. Let's dive right in and learn how to temporarily disable your eSIM on iOS devices. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. That's your starting point. Step 2. Head over to Cellular or Mobile Data. Step 3. Find Turn on off this line. It's your ticket to eSIM control. Step 4. Flip the switch to turn off your eSIM temporarily. Simple as that. Congratulations, folks! You've just given your eSIM a breather. But remember, eSIM have an expiration date that can't be paused. Step 5. Ready to reactivate? Repeat the process and toggle that switch back on. Easy comeback. Go SIMless with Zetexa Switch today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zetexa Global.